How ant senses. Ants can sense the smell of sugar and other sweets, and can find the source by its sense to smell. As the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. Eagle's eye. Eagles can see its prey from far away. This helps them catch the prey easily. Snake. Snakes have scales to protect their skin from drying. There are about 2,000 species of snakes. Of these, only 300 are poisonous. Number of dangerously poisonous snakes are much less. Food from animals. Milk, meat, and egg come from animals. Movement of fish. Fish swim with the help of fins. Tail fins are the main propeller. It also helps to change direction. Food spoilage. Fruits, vegetables, and other foods are damaged due to the growth of fungi and bad odor. Refrigerated food items are kept for long in the open, at room temperature. The bacteria and fungi will grow and spoil the food items. The diseases caused by the consumption of spoiled food items are indigestion, diarrhea, food poisoning, stomachache, amoebic dysentery, fever, etc. The Earth. Our home planet is Earth. Earth has land. View of Earth from the Moon. Earth looks like a bright ball in space when one looks from the Moon, not very different from the way the Moon looks to us. The first images of the Earth from the Moon came from the Apollo mission. Sunita Williams in space station. She kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. Water too doesn't stay at one place. It floats around as blobs. To wash her face or hands, she had to catch these blobs and wet paper with them. In space, there was no need to use a comb. Stars. A star is a huge glowing ball of hot gas, mainly hydrogen and helium. Experiment: a feather and coin falling down. Take a coin and a feather. Drop them simultaneously from the top of a tube containing air. The coin will fall faster than the feather. This is because of the resistance of air. Remove the air from the tube and repeat the experiment. both coin and the feather will fall together and will reach the bottom of the vacuum tube at the same time. This shows that the gravity applied on every object is the same, irrespective of its mass. Angles. An angle is a figure formed by two rays, with a common endpoint. The common endpoint is the vertex of the angle. The symbol for the word angle is. An angle is named by first writing any point on the ray, then the vertex, and then any point on the other ray. The angle shown here is angle B a C or angle C a B. An angle divides a plane into three parts: the interior of the angle, the exterior of the angle, and the angle itself. Elements of a circle. A line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Line OP is the radius of the circle. A line segment, which passes through the center of a circle, and whose endpoints lie on the circle, are called a diameter of the circle. Line QOP is the diameter of the circle. Any part of a circle is called an arc of the circle. An arc is named by 3 points on it. Arc PQR is represented as PQR. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. ABC represents half of the circle. A diameter divides a circle into two semicircles. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a diameter, is the longest chord. The interior region of a circle, between a chord and an arc of a circle, is known as a segment. If a line segment that forms a chord of a circle is extended on both sides, the segment line with 2 points on the circle is known as secant. A straight line that touches the circles only at one point is known as its tangent. Here, L is a tangent at point A, and M is a tangent at point B. The interior of a circle between any two radii is known as sector. The diameter divides a circle into two equal sector. The minor sector between two perpendicular radii is known as a quadrant. A circle has 4 quadrants. 2 or more circles having the same center are known as concentric circles. Volume concepts. Take a two-dimensional square and move it in a direction perpendicular to its surface by a distance of 1 centimeter. It forms a three-dimensional object called cube. Coprime numbers. Two numbers that have only one as common factor are known as coprime numbers. Lowest common multiple. Find LCM of 175 and 140. Find the prime factor of 175. And 140. Then find the product of common factors and the product of factors that are not common. Thus, the LCM of 175 and 140 equals 700. Cross-division method for finding LCM. Find The LCM of 175 and 140 cross-division method. Arrange numbers together, separated by commas. Start with the smallest prime divisor, and go on dividing, till none of the numbers can be divided further. LCM equals product of all prime divisors.